Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn on off incognito mode on YouTube. So first, you just have to make sure that your YouTube application is up to date. You have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then type YouTube and make sure that this one is updated. Okay, so as you can see, my application is up to date and I am using the latest version. So once you have updated the application, you can now open or launch your YouTube application. So as you can see, this is your YouTube. And if you feel like you want to turn on your incognito, you don't need to go out of the application. All you have to do is to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And then below your profile, you just have to swipe and you will see this turn on incognito. So tap this one and you can now try searching some videos here, and don't worry, it will not appear on your recent searches. So that's the latest and good thing of YouTube application now. You don't need to go out from the application and open any web browser or go to your incognito. You can simply see that option here inside the application. So just tap this turn off incognito if you want to turn this one off. You will see this option if you tap your profile at the bottom right corner. Okay, so that's it. And that's how easy it is to simply turn on and off incognito mode on YouTube. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.